And since this design is for end use nga, kung makikita nyo, very maximized talaga yung house, no? So, balik tayo dito sa ating entrance ng house. And ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung loob or yung interior design naman ng ating property right now. So, tara! So, we're now here on our main door, guys. So, this is our grand entrance. And this area is your foyer. It will lead you to your open layout design here on the ground floor. So, dito, ito yung ating living area, as you can see. And etong wall na to, ang ganda ng ginawa nilang accent wall dito. And then yung wall, kung mapapansin nyo, ang ganda ng pagka-design niya, no, very artistic. Kung mapapansin nyo, no, yung ibang open layout, pagpasok nyo sa entrance, kita nyo agad yung living area, dining, and then kitchen. Tama? Dito, pagpasok nyo, living area pa lang yung may kita nyo. No? Kahit pa paano, naka-separate, no, or may wall, may partition, naka-separate yung dining and your kitchen area. So, kung makikita nyo, sinasabi ko guys, ito yung ating dining area, ito pa yung ating kitchen area. So, hindi siya masyado kita, no? And, huwag nyo na napansin yung food na hinanda ni ma'am para sa atin, no? And ito, makikita nyo, yung ating kitchen area. And since this design is for end use nga, kung makikita nyo, very maximized talaga yung house, no?